Hey everyone, it's Angela from Bake It with Love. And if you want to bring the luxury of a high-end steakhouse right into your own kitchen, this is how you do it. Today we're making an incredibly rich, decadent, creamy Tuscan lobster linguine. It's vibrant, it's buttery, and it comes together faster than you think. So let's dive in. First up, the star of the show, lobster. Drop 16 ounces or 1 pound of lobster tails into a large pot of boiling salted water. We're only going to let these cook undisturbed for about 2 minutes until the shells turn this gorgeous bright red. Pull them out and plunge them straight into ice water to stop the cooking process. We want them just undercooked right now. We're going to be returning them to the sauce later, so they will heat up and cook just a little bit more in that when we finish the dish. Once they've cooled for 5 minutes, take some kitchen shears and cut straight down the center of the belly side of the lobster tail. Pull that beautiful meat out, slice it lengthwise and then across to make half-inch, 1 inch bite-sized pieces. Cover this up and pop it in the fridge while we build the rest of the dish. Bring that same lobster water back to a boil and drop in 12 ounces of linguine pasta. Cook it for about 12 minutes until it's perfectly al dente. Your box instructions may tell you otherwise. Follow those until you get the perfectly al dente texture, which is firm to the bite. If you are rushing against the clock, feel free to cook the pasta in a separate pot while you handle the lobster. When you drain off the pasta, make sure that you reserve about 3/4 of a cup of that starchy cooking water. We'll need it later. It is liquid gold for the sauce. Next, let's start building that flavor profile. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Toss in 2 cups of cherry tomatoes and a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes if you like a little kick. We're going to blister these by cooking them down for about 5 minutes until they're soft. They'll start to burst too. Next, stir in a tablespoon of sliced garlic and 2 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes along with a little bit of that rich oil that they're packed in. It's going to add great flavor to this dish. Cook that for just 1 minute until your kitchen smells absolutely incredible. Next, pour in 1 cup of heavy cream. We're going to season that with a teaspoon of fresh chopped oregano plus salt and pepper. Bring this base mixture up to a gentle simmer. Then we'll add 2 cups of baby spinach and arugula mix. Keep it moving for a minute or two until the greens are completely wilted into the cream. Turn the heat up to medium-high and stir in your cooked linguine. Simmer and toss constantly for about 3 minutes to let the pasta soak in that sauce. You'll see the sauce transform and thicken up to coat every single noodle beautifully. If it gets a little too thick, just add a splash of that reserved pasta water to smooth it out to your perfect consistency. Take it completely off the heat, then stir in half a cup of shredded Parmesan and a 1/4 cup of grated Romano cheese. Then add the chilled lobster meat. Toss it all together for about a minute until that cheese is fully melted and velvety. Garnish with a little extra parm, some fresh chives, and serve it immediately while it's nice and hot. Look at that. Creamy, savory, luxury comfort food made right at home. The full recipe is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know if you're making this for your next date night. Be sure to visit Bake It with Love, where I share more than 2,000 recipes to help you make delicious dishes. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.